I wish that by the time I get back, Mbada will be seated on the throne as the king, and you by his side as the queen.
You see, at the mention of his name, my sorrows turn to joy. I love him so much.
I know you do, my princess. And I pray that the gods will answer your prayers.
You see, I'll miss you. I'll miss you, Adorita.
Don't worry. I have instructed your maid to take very good care of you. I promise you I'm going to get back as soon as my grandmother gets well. Oh? Take good care of yourself.
You too.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.
I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
I'll see you when I'm back. Bye.
My princess! My princess!
Come to me! Mbada, come to me!
Who are you?
Come to me, Mbada! Come to me! Mbada, come to me! Come to me, Mbada! No!
What will I do with the slaves? Huh? I am confused. May the gods help me. Huh? Anyway, my princess! I am coming home! I am coming to wake you up. I'm coming to save you, my princess!
Yes, Janone believes I will wake the princess and become the next king.
Where is my daughter This?
Igwe, she should be in her hut.
Go and get her in my presence right now.
Yes, my king.
Where is This, my daughter?
My king, she's not in her hut. She said she went out since morning. I couldn't tell her where she was going.
Where is This, my daughter? Where is my daughter? Speak! Speak! Speak.
My king, she went to see Mbada.
Mbada. Mbada. Mbada. Go and get my daughter for me.
Yes, my king.
My princess, you know I love you so much, so much. Words cannot even express it. All I pray for is to end up with you as your husband.
I wish I was never a princess. I should have been married to you by now. My heart beats for you alone. I can't sleep at night without thinking about you. Obim, please promise you will never leave me.
I will never leave you. Obi, my heart beats for you too. You know, I promise you, okay? I will never leave you, alright? The gods, they know our heart desires. If we are meant to end up together, nothing is going to stop it.
Ending up with you is going to prolong my life. All I ask from my chi and the gods of our land is to make me yours forever.
And the gods are wise. Dizzy, you are going to be mine if you are meant to be mine.
Good day, my princess. Good day, brother.
Good day.
What brings you to my presence?
My princess, your father the king demands your presence at the palace right now.
Obim, I'll see you later.
It's okay. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Let us go.
Adeze, you know that you're my only offspring. I don't want you to be taking the risk of leaving this palace and going out without the guard or servants. I don't want it.
But father, I didn't go far.
Adeze, your safety matters a lot to me. Not only to me, to the whole kingdom. And you know that you're my only child. That whoever you choose to marry will sit on this throne. So don't ever try to leave this palace without the guard and the servants. You hear me?
Yes, father.
I heard that you went to see Mbada at the restaurant. Eh? And I have told you that I don't like that man.
But father, Mbada is the only man that my heart beats for.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, that the decision you will make will change the entire kingdom. First of all, I don't like Mbada. I don't like him. Why not look for a man of noble background, a noble blood, and marry? Instead of that right laugh. Ah, Orogu, you are here already.
Yes.
Eh? You're welcome. You can go. When I need you, I will call you back. Eh?
Yes, father. Greetings.
Adeze, our beautiful
Orogu,
princess.
come inside. We have a lot to discuss.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. How do you? No.
My son, I am just coming from the palace, and the king is clearly furious with the princess. She left the palace without her guard, without her servant. She went to see Mbada.
Oh, Mbada. But we all know they are very close friends and they've been friends for a very long time. We all know that.
Yes, we all know it. But it is clear the king does not want the princess to have anything to do with a nobody. The king wants her to marry someone of reputation, someone of honor, not a nobody. So, listen to me, my son. Are you aware that whoever marries the princess will become the next king of this kingdom? It is of utmost importance that you get close to the princess so that you align yourself with her. So that when the king dies, you, as her husband, will become the next king.
But father, I'm not even close with the princess. As a matter of fact, we're not even friends.
Ikenna, my brother, listen to the wise words of Papa. Or don't you want to sit on the throne as the king? You are a good-looking young man. I repeat, you are good-looking. No maiden will reject your proposal. I understand what Papa is saying. Try getting to the princess and see if you will not win her heart. Hmm?
See, my son, as you know, the king just confided in me that he has the feelings that very soon he will join his ancestors. So it is very important that you are very close to the princess. Win her heart, get married to her, so that when the king finally journeys to the beyond, you will become king.
Yes.
Simple and short.
Odema, I've heard you, Papa. I'll try.
Don't just try. Do it.
Papa, don't worry. I know my brother. He will do as you have said. Ikenna, I know you're hungry. Let me go and get you food.
For Joe.
Don't worry.
But father,
there's no but there, Ikenna. This is a very simple thing. Align yourself with the princess and ask him but. But what? Well, are you afraid of women?
Afraid? No, why would I be afraid of a woman?
Adolisa, my good friend, I am confused. My father doesn't like Mbada, and that has been my concern for years. He doesn't like seeing I and him together.
Adeze, you have to take it easy on yourself. I advise you talk to your father, the king. Make him see reasons why you need to be with Mbada.
I have done that so many times, but he has failed to see my own reasons. He even said that he didn't get married to my late mother because of love. He said his own father made him get married to my late mother just so they can make peace with the people of Umudin.
My princess, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead and ask.
Do you think Mbada loves you as much as you love him? I mean, is he ready to get married to you?
He is ready to make me his wife. But my father doesn't want to see him anywhere near the palace. Talk less of asking for my hand in marriage.
My princess, if that is the case, I think it's only the gods that can win this fight. Yes.
Mbada, my love, I've been begging you to be mine. I promise you, I will give you all you desire, even my body. Just accept to be mine, Biko.
Ekemma, or whatever you call yourself. Let me sound this as a note of warning. Let this be the first and last time you will stop me on the road to indulge me in such useless conversation. The next time you will try it, I will report you to your father Izudo. This is your last warning. Don't you try this again. What rubbish?
Hey Kemma, I have told you to leave Mbada alone. He will never accept you. He is deeply in love with the princess. I don't take any maiden from this village will take him away from princess. Uju, mark my words. I will do everything possible to make him mine. Just watch and see. Oh, Biko, let's go. Oh.
Marama. Amo Masar. Assam. Look how beautiful you are. Always glowing. Your hair is so nice. Who made it for you?
It's a Kema.
A Kema. Nice. So tell me what happened yesterday. I waited and waited for you. You didn't come.
I went to the market with my mother.
And what happened after you got back from the market?
Nothing, we cook.
And you went to that market, are you sure one of those village rascals was not looking at your waist? Are you sure nobody was looking at my front?
Nobody is looking at him.
I missed you though.
Really? Okay.
But you will come here.
Greet is nice.
Greetings, Papa.
Kenna, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I am doing everything possible to make sure you sit on the throne. And this is what you do. Of all the people in this village for you to associate yourself with, you are here with Mbweke, the daughter of Unoka. Unoka, the poorest man in the whole of the 7 villages of Edoji. What is wrong with you?
Nam, you know Mbweke is the one that I love. I do not have feelings for the princess.
Oh, will you shut up? What's wrong with you? If not for one thing, I will disown you.
I'm sorry, Papa.
You better be. Now come with me. I'll take you somewhere. Let us see if we can hasten up all this. Some.
Greetings, Adeze. The most beautiful and only princess of the 7 villages of Edodi. The gods indeed blessed you with amazing beauty.
Greetings, Ikenna, son of Unowu. Where are you heading to with such beautiful clothes?
Oh, I was on my way to the palace to see you, my princess.
To see me? Hope there is not a problem.
No problem. I came bearing this amazing gift for you.
Oh wow, that is so thoughtful of you. Thank you. They are really beautiful. I like them.
I'm glad you love them. My princess, I wish to have a word with you.
Okay, you can come see me at the palace tomorrow. As you can see, I and my friend, we are heading to the stream now.
I shall be at the palace first thing in the morning. Thank you for your time. And ensure to have a blissful day.
You too.
My princess, I can smell love in the air.
Oh please, no one can take me away from my Ngbada. And as for the clothes, you can have them.
Are you serious?
Yes.
My princess, thank you so much.
You're
Those
welcome.
are beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I don't need it, so you can just keep it.
Thank you so much, my princess. Oh, these clothes, they're so beautiful. Are you sure you don't want them? I'm not. Thank you so much. Thank you, my princess.
dinner so fast? Hope you met with the princess. Yes.
Oh, yes. On my way to the palace, I saw her walking down to the stream with her best friend Adolisa. We spoke, and looking at her beautiful smiles, she accepted my gift.
Hey.
And asked me to come see her at the palace tomorrow.
I told you. I told Papa is going to work. Don't forget to go and see her tomorrow at the palace.
No, definitely I'll see her. You know, I realized that the princess is such a beautiful maiden. Looking at her charming smiles alone, I'm already falling for her.
Hey! Now, imagine her as your wife. And you seated on the throne as the king.
Odogu.
And the all 7 villages hailing your name. Igwe!
Odogu!
Igwe!
Odogu!
Igwe!
Please give me water to drink and please. Hey! Mamarama. Omoma Saru. Lele Bread Jolum.
Rejected me because of the princess. I promised to do everything in my power to make him mine. Time will tell.
My good friends, I was with my love Ikenna yesterday when his father came. I walked that out of fear, but I hid in the bush and overheard everything they were discussing. Can you imagine? His father told him that he should get close to the princess. He should do everything possible so that he will marry the princess and become the next king of this village.
Yay. All the men in this village want the princess. I believe no man will look our way until the princess gets married.
To fear Akwa. I can't allow the princess take my man from me. It can never happen.
Well, all I know is that Mbada is mine and he must be mine. Don't ask me how I'm going to do it. Just watch and see.
Maybe go guide the bush have ears. Guide.
Oh, don't worry, let me follow you.
Greetings.
Greetings. Ikenna, son of Ono.
I am here to see the princess.
Let me get her for you.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. The princess said that she doesn't want to see you. But she come back next 6 Eke market day.
Next 6 Eke market days?
That was her word.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hola, ma. Hola. Yeah. I am off to see Ezudo. I'll be back before sunset.
Okay, Papa.
Ah, Ikenna, you're back. So, how did it go?
Ikenna, Papa is asking you, how did it go?
Father, I don't think this is going to work. It won't work.
What will not work? What is not working?
Can you imagine that I went to the palace to see the princess and she told me she does not want to see me, that I should come back in 6 Eke market days?
6 Eke market days? Nudi Angazi.
Allow her. Adolisa, my good friend, how are you?
I am fine, my princess.
Let us go now. No, you go inside. Okay, my friend.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Olama.
My princess, please, I want to have a word with you.
I am not in the mood for any discussion or talks now. You can go.
Oh, my princess.
I said leave. Guard.
I'm sorry, my
My princess, he is waiting for you under that tree near Agoke River. You have to hurry up and please be very careful. I need to go home. My mother will be waiting for me.
Okay. Please, at intervals, be going to check up on my father. Keep an eye on him. The moment he starts looking for me, come and call me, okay?
Of course I will.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Take care of yourself.
Where is my daughter?
She went out, my king.
Okay, go and get me water to drink.
My king! My king! My king! My king! My king! My king! My king!
My princess! My princess! My princess!
Adolisa, what is it?
My princess, your father, the king, needs your presence right now.
What happened?
My princess, your father fell down.
No! My love, please, I need to go. Let's go. Wise one, please, how is my father, the king?
Igirigi, your face is not bright. What is the condition of the king?
The struggles of mankind will one day make them a guest of the dust. Igwe, our king, has joined his ancestors.
Now that the king is no more, we need to be swift in our arrangements so that the princess will fall in love with you and you will marry her, and then we will have a king.
Papa, on my way to the stream, I saw the princess. I tried talking to her. She told me she was not in the mood to talk to me.
Father, what can we do?
I will have to visit the Ezemo and talk to him so that I will find out exactly where he stands in all this.
What, Papa? I think I should talk to Adolisa, Princess' best friend. They are always together. Maybe if I tell her to convince her, then we can win the princess' heart.
That's a good idea. Each time I see the princess, she's always with Adolisa.
Yes.
So you can talk to her, try and convince her to talk to the princess. Oh?
I will, my brother, don't worry. Trust me.
Well, from the next Eke market day, no one will be allowed to set foot inside the palace until a new king is presented. Now, whatever we have to do it quickly and smoothly.
Okay, Papa.
So that you can marry the princess and be presented as king. I will pay a visit to Ezemo. Let me know his true stand.
And Father, honestly speaking, I think I'm beginning to fall in love with the princess. I even saw her in my dreams last night.
I told you.
Ola,
Papa.
please, go and get me my food.
Ola, get us our food.
Okay, don't worry.
For you. Please. Stop crying. Stop crying, okay? Stop. I don't want anything to happen to you. Stop. But you want me to cry along with you. Please. I don't like to see you cry.
My father was all I had. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
It's fine. Stop crying. Stop. Now, stop. See, I would have come to the palace to see you now that your father is dead, but you know the customs and tradition would not allow me. Okay? I mean, no villager is allowed to come into the palace now that your father is dead until the burial rites are, done with.
Babe, you know me too, I'm not allowed to leave the palace. If Ezemo finds out I leave the palace, he's going to be very angry.
I know. See, you have to go back to the palace, Obi, please. You have to go back. Once the burial rites are done with, I will come see you. Stop, Obi, stop now. I don't like to see you. It's okay.
Obi, my house to go now.
It's alright,
Whatever they call you, what is it? I have told you countless times that this relationship is over. Don't you understand? The throne is vacant, and whoever marries the princess becomes the next king. I have eyes for the throne. Allow me to achieve my goals. What don't you understand?
Ikem, please, don't leave me.
Listen, let this be the very first and the last time that I will tell you this again. It is over. The next time you will stop me and talk about this nonsense relationship, if I slap you, you will not like the shape of your face. I'm warning you for the very last time. Stop it. It's over.
So after having my body countless time, you want to leave me and marry the princess, all in the name of becoming the next king. Don't worry, you both will hear from me soon.
You know that you're my only offspring. I don't want you to be taking the risk of leaving this palace and going out without the guard or servants. I don't want it.
But father, I didn't go far.
Adeze, your safety matters a lot to me. Not only to me, to the whole kingdom. And you know that you're my only child. That whoever you choose to marry will sit on this throne. So don't ever try to leave this palace without the guard and servants. You hear me?
Yes, father.
Thanks to the gods that I met you here. I was on my way to your place.
Oh no.
The future of this kingdom lies in our hands until we'll enthrone a new king. The king, before he died, made me swear with his offer that I shall be upright and just. Oh no, I need you. I need to work together with you so that we can forever be happy with the gods.
Igirigi, I know all that. But there's something I want us to look into. You and I. You as the Ezemo, I as the Ono. What if the princess decides to marry a nobody? Someone without substance, someone without honor. Will you and I sit and allow someone without substance to sit on the throne and rule over us? Let us look into it.
Ajane. Ajane. Onowu, the gods are wise. Let us see what the future brings. But for now, I am on my way to see the princess to deliver a message from the gods.
Igirigi, that message which the gods have for the ears of the princess, I believe that as the Ono of this kingdom, such a message is not a taboo to my ears. What is the message?
Ah! Ono Nwokike. In this time of despair, in this time of confusion, can't you see? We can only look up to a sign from the gods. And it is with that sign that we shall find a new king.
Sign? What sign?
Oh no. Let us allow the gods to lead us mortals. Jele Ije. Jele Ije. Jele Ije. Jele Ije.
My princess, I came to tell you that I'll be leaving the village today. I'll be going to Umuago village to go and take care of my sick grandmother. But I'll be back as soon as she gets well.
He left me when I needed him the most. And now, you're leaving me too.
My princess, no one is leaving you. Yes, I'm always here for you. I promise you I am going to come back as soon as my grandmother gets well.
I'm going to miss you, my good friend.
I'll miss you too, my princess. Don't worry. I'll be back as soon as my grandmother gets well. Promise me you're not going to cry again.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. And I wish that by the time I get back, Mbada will be seated on the throne as the king, and you by his side as the queen.
Issei, at the mention of his name, my sorrows turn to joy. I love him so much.
I know you do, my princess. And I pray that the gods will answer your prayers.
Issei, I'll miss you. I'll miss you, Adorita.
Don't worry. I have instructed your maid to take very good care of you. I promise you I'm going to get back as soon as my grandmother gets well. Oh? Take good care of yourself.
You too.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.
I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
I'll see you when I'm back. Bye.
My princess! My princess!
Igirigi, I can see that she is still breathing. What is wrong with her?
Oh no. She has fallen into a mysterious sleep, and only the sacred leaves of the tree of Anunebe can wake her up.
The leaves of Anunebe. But the sacred tree of Anunebe can only be found deep in the evil forest of Agweke. What do we do?
I think it's a sign revealed to me by the gods some days ago. Oh no, go. Find the town crier. Let him go to the 9 villages of Edoji. That whosoever wishes to marry the princess and become our next king shall come to the palace. They shall embark on the journey. And whosoever comes back with the sacred leaf of Anunebe and wakes the princess from the sleep shall be the one chosen by the gods. And he shall be our next king. The gods have spoken. Makana nkwa patara na ajo hia ka eji efe ebune kara aka.
Hey, I told you that I will do anything possible to make sure my man does not get married to the princess. Now, the princess is lying helplessly at the palace. Let me see how she will take my man away from me. Okay?
Mbweke, don't tell me you have a hand in this mysterious illness of our beloved princess.
Beloved my foot. When she took away my Mbada, and you think she'll be happy? Do you know how I cry at night each time I remember Mbada? Do you?
So you both are wishing princess never to wake up on this mysterious illness, eh?
Uju, bet me. Bet me. I swear with Ajani, eh? The town crier will announce the death of the princess soon.
Chimo, Mbeke.
Mbeke, and when we are done with the princess, we'll fall back to Ikena and Mbada. They think they can just break our heart and leave us like that. It can never happen.
Oh.
They would both suffer for it.
All I know that Ikenna cannot have my body countless time and choose to leave me. He must marry me. He will marry me or I will make his life useless.
But Ekema, you and I know that Mbada never loved you. Talk more of sleeping with you.
I love him and he must love me back. Please, let's go.
You both should be careful.
Father, what do we do now?
The Ezemo has refused to accept the bribe. He has chosen to follow his straight path, refusing to compromise against the throne. And now the princess has fallen into a deep sleep, a deep, mysterious sleep.
But what do we do for the princess to wake from this deep, mysterious sleep?
Whoever wishes to wake the princess from her slumber must first journey into the evil forest and retrieve the sacred leaf of Anunwebe. It is only with that leaf that the princess can rise from her slumber, and whoever awakens the princess will marry her, and whoever marries her will become king.
Ha! That's not an ordinary task. It's not an easy task at all.
It is not easy. something has to be done. I will make sure I make some arrangements so that you can retrieve that leaf and wake the princess.
Father, you want me to journey to the evil forest just to save the princess?
Oh, will you shut up? You are not risking your life for the princess. You are risking your life to become king.
And what if something bad happens to me in that evil forest? What will not happen?
People of Edoji, listen and listen very good. Anyone that wishes to marry the princess and become the next king of this land should come to the palace next Eke market day, so that the Ezemo will fortify him to embark on the journey to the forest and get the sacred leaf of Anunebe and wake the princess from this mysterious sleep. If you are interested, make sure you are at the palace next Eke market day. People of Edoji, listen and listen very good. Listen and listen very good. Anyone that wishes to marry the princess and become the next king of our land should visit the palace next Eke market day. If you want to become the king, come to the palace next Eke market day, so that the Ezemo can fortify you to embark on the journey to the forest and get the sacred leaf of Anunebe, so you can wake the princess from this mysterious sleep. If you are interested, make sure you are at the palace next Eke market day. People of Edoji, listen and listen very good. Anyone who is interested in becoming our next king,
You know I love you so much. So much. Words cannot even express it. All I pray for is to end up with you as your husband.
I wish I was never a princess. I should have been married to you by now. My heart beats for you alone. I can't sleep at night without thinking about you. Obi, please promise you will never leave me.
I will never leave you. Obi, my heart beats for you too. You know, I promise you, okay? I will never leave you, alright? The gods, they know our heart desires. If we are meant to end up together, nothing is going to stop it.
Ending up with you is going to prolong my life. All I ask from my chi and the gods of our land is to make me yours forever.
And the gods are wise. Lizzie, you are going to be mine if you are meant to.
No. I must embark on that journey to save my love. I must.
Greetings, my love.
Ekema, what are you doing here?
My love, I'm here for you. The princess is no more. I want you to accept me and I promise to make you happy.
May Ajani swallow you alive for calling me your love. Who's your love? I said, who is your love? The princess must leave. Now, leave my heart.
My love, for rejecting me, the princess must die and you shall never sit on that throne.
You are the one who is going to die. The princess must leave. You daughter of the unknown. More reason why I have to embark on that journey. I have to go into the forest of Agweke. The princess must leave. The
princess must leave, whether you like it or not. Your wish will never come to pass. The princess must leave. She must leave.
Are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Ikenna, the reason I came here is for you to embark on that journey. Go to the evil forest so that you can get the sacred leaf. Papa went to see Ziwine this morning. I believe the charm he will give to him will work.
The way you and Papa make this thing sound like it's so easy. It's the evil forest, and there is a reason why there is evil in the forest. It simply means that bad things can happen. What if I embark on this journey and I don't come back? What if I die? What will happen?
Oh, Ikenna, nothing will happen to you. The charm Papa will bring will help you. Don't you want to become the king?
I want to become the king, but I do not want to die.
Then you have to do it. You told me that you're loving the princess already. What is there to go to the evil forest and get the sacred leaf so you become the king? You see, Ikenna, imagine you being the king of this land. The rates the villagers will give our family.
Okay.
Now you are talking.
I'll do it.
Thank you. Do you want food?
Yes, of course I want food. I need to have something on my stomach to be able to function properly.
Okay, don't worry. I'll prepare you good food today before you go to the evil forest, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Let me go and start now.
Okay. Olama. Fojoya Fojo, oh?
Don't worry, this one is special. After eating, you embark on the journey, okay?
Thank you.
We have wasted enough time. It is clear that no one else is coming. We have been standing here since noon. And it is clear that my son is the only one who has the courage to come and go to get the Elunwebe leaf. Give him your blessings. Let him take off and return with the leaves to wake up the princess.
Oh no. The truth be told, Princess is lying in her chambers. She has been sleeping for 3 days now, and we must do the needful. Wake her up so that we can crown our king. Oh no. Let the will of the gods be done. We shall wait a little longer, and then if no one comes around, I shall proceed with the blessings.
Greetings to the custodian of our sacred tradition. I am here to embark on the journey.
Greetings, son of Edoji. Now, you may both kneel. Sons of Adoji, the time is nigh. The Iroko tree may seem strongly rooted, but it stands the greatest of joke to the birds of the air that defecates on it. It's a very strong mission. May Ajani bless your mission. May you go and return successful. And may the spirits, bad spirits, not find you. You shall go in peace and come back with victory. Okiri yoko koko, okiri yoko koko, kiri okiri yoko koko, kiri yoko koko, kiri yoko koko, kiri yoko koko. Now, you shall go and get the sacred leaf of Anunebe. Remember, whoever gets the sacred leaf and comes back to wake up the princess shall be our next king. Go! Go! Get up! Go! Go! Ajani shall be with you. Okiri yoko koko, okiri yoko koko, kiriya, okiri yoko koko, okiri yoko koko, okiri yoko koko, kiriya, okiri yoko koko, okiri yoko koko, okiri yoko koko, kiri yoko koko.
Igirigi, I'll retire to my hut and await their return.
Onowu, may your chi guide you.
Ise.
Let the journey of life begin.
Kenna, where are you going to? Are you sure that's it?
Ọ Ikenna go ka iji wee na-eje. Ị ga-emeli ọnwa ọbụla efu n'ụzọ. Mmụọ agha ebighị aka, mmadụ agha ebighị aka. Agha elu isi gị etu ọbụla o sila wee dị n'ime ebe ahụ ị ga-ejecha wee bata. You are the son of a great man. Ife anyị iji maka wee ba n'ime oke ọhịa ị ga-eji wee fụta. Ajọ mmụọ ajọ mmadụ nwere nke pụrụ ịta isi gị. A na-atagodo isi mmadụ anyị ata nke gị. Ihe ọbụla na-eri ndị ọzọ anyị eri gị. Na nwa odogwu ka ị bụ. Nwa odogwu ada ifu na mba. You will succeed. No man, no woman, no evil shall befall you. You will come back successful and you will be crowned king.
Papa, Hope is going to come back victorious.
Yes, Ikenna will return and be crowned king. You see this? This was given to me by Ezewanye. It is very powerful. This is what made me, you know. And with this, Ikenna will become king. I will give you some cowries so that you go and buy new clothes, so that we will prepare in earnest for his return and coronation.
Oh, okay, Papa, let me go and change my clothes. I'm prepared to go to the market.
Ife kwuru ga na-eme. Nweze ada efu na mba. Bịa bụrụ nwa m. Eje papa. Eje papa. Oi.
Ikenna, son of Onowa Gumba, come and eat.
Beautiful maiden. How did you know my name? I thought my father was only popular in our community. I did not know he's also popular in the evil forest.
Come, handsome. Come and eat.
Hey.
So that we rest and continue the journey.
How did you know I was very hungry? Thank you.
This is delicious.
I know, right?
You just made it like my sister Lamma. Food is life. Thank you.
Mbada, son of Ojukwu, I know you are hungry. Take.
Young maiden, who are you?
Mbada, eat so that you can have some rest. Take. Mbada! Mbada!
Ekemma, Uju, I pray to the gods none of them return back alive. I want them to die inside that forest.
You say, if they both die in that forest, who will raise the sleeping princess? And who will become our next king?
Do you think I want her to wake up? I want her to sleep to eternity.
As for me, I want her to die and for us not to have a king. Ezemo can become the next king. It doesn't matter.
You both are so wicked. I can't continue to be your friend. Let me go before the gods punish me for this evil part.
Get out! Look at her! You think you're worthy to become our friend? Look at her!
Please, leave this good for nothing girl. Let me fetch water. Let's leave here. Let's go.
Come to me. Mbada, come to me.
Who are you?
Come to me, Mbada. Come to me. Mbada, come to me. Come to me, Mbada.
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, my son.
What are you doing in this lonely forest all by yourself? Huh? Don't you have any children who can help you carry this log of wood? Or maybe even your husband? Huh? Oh, Mama, please, let me help you with the log of wood. Let me help you with the firewood. Mama, this firewood is very heavy. How are you able to carry it?
What would an old woman do? Thank you, my son.
It's alright, Mama. Please, show me the way.
This way.
Mama, how were you able to carry this whole log of wood?
Mama, are you behind me?
Yes, my son.
Okay.
Yes, my son.
Mama,
My son.
how were you able to carry this heavy log of wood on your head? Huh? And I'm very, very sure you have children and they are home resting and playing while you are carrying this heavy log of wood. And this is wickedness now, Mama. Huh? This is pure wickedness. Mama, please, lead the way, oh. Lead the way.
Thank you, my son.
This is pure wickedness. Oh. Imagine upon how hefty I am. This log of wood is still very heavy for me to carry. How much more you? This is pure wickedness.
You talk too much. Don't worry about an old woman.
Are we still going, Mama?
Yes.
Okay. It's alright. Oh.
My son. You talk too much. Just follow me.
Hey.
Easy. Please, drop it here.
Yeah? Hey.
Thank you, my son.
Mama?
Yes, my son.
This place doesn't look like your house. Where are we?
Don't worry about that. I know why you are here. You have a good heart, my son. And your good heart has saved you. This is the sacred Anunebe tree. You can pluck from the leaves and go save the princess.
Eh? Mama, do you mean this is the secretary?
Yes, my son.
Ha! Mama, thank you very much. Thank you so, so much. Bye. Thank you so much, Mama.
Yes, my son. Take this. Just hold it in your hand. Now, run to the palace and save the princess.
But, Mama, if this is the sacred leaf, what do I need this for?
Don't ask too much questions, my son. Run now! Run to the palace and save the princess. Your people need you. Run and save the princess. Run!
Must have been sleeping for long. Where is that beautiful maiden that gave me food? I need to get down and leave before it's too late.
What will I do with these leaves? Huh? I am confused. May the gods help me. Huh? Anyway,
My princess! I am coming home! I am coming to wake you up. I'm coming to save you, my princess!
Yes, Janonebe lives. I will wake the princess and become the next king.
Igirigi, now that my son has returned with the sacred leaf of Anunuebe, he will proceed to wed the princess and every other thing will follow.
Ikenna,
Wise one.
wake the princess.
Wise one, how do I do that?
Did you not say you have the sacred leaf of Anunebe?
Of course I do have
Then
it.
wake the princess!
Use the leaf to touch her. Touch her,
Okay.
Touch the princess.
But why is she not waking up?
Touch it. Yes. Okanko pia. Flog her with it. She wake up.
Princess, wake up, I'm
She's
back.
in a deep sleep.
You said you had the sacred leaf of Anunebe.
Yes, Wise one, this is the leaves of Anunebe. Look at it very well, Wise one.
Is there any other particular place that he has to touch?
You lie! Ikenna, you lie!
Mbada.
What you have there are ordinary leaves.
Mbada, this is the sacred leaves of Anunebe.
Wise one, this is not the sacred leaf.
This is the sacred leaves of Anunebe. What are you saying?
Ikenna, you think you have the sacred leaf, but what you have there are ordinary leaves. Wise one.
Wise one, this is the sacred leaves.
This is the sacred leaf.
Wise one, this is the sacred leaves.
If what you have there is the sacred leaf, why didn't you wake her up with it?
Listen, I don't know what you're up to, but this is the sacred leaf. Wise one! Wise one! Wise one! Look at it very well. This is the sacred leaf.
Silence! You are before the gods. Silence! Mother.
Wise one.
You claim you have the sacred leaf of Anebe.
Yes, this is it. This is it, wise one.
Then wake the princess, let's see.
Okay, go.
Brother, my love.
My love.
What's going on here?
It's a long story, my love. It's a very long story. But I will explain everything in due time.
My son and I will return to our hut.
Oh no, will you go nowhere? Mother, tell us, what happened at the forest when you got the sacred leaf of Anebe?
Wise one. Ikenna here tried to kill me and take away the sacred leaf. Mother, why are you lying on me? Why would I try to kill you? Little did he know what he took were mere leaves. It's a lie. I did not do anything to you. Feed him! What, wise one? I did not try. Why would I try to kill him, mother? Wise one, I came with the sacred leaves. Mother, tell him the truth. What is the meaning of it? Take him away! So you're lying on me, mother. Let me talk to him. Let me talk to the wise one. Hold on. Mother, you what? Oh, let me talk to the wise one.
You thought you were wise?
Mother, tell them
You thought you took the sacred leaf, but what you have is an ordinary leaf. Hello.
Igrigi.
I will have you visit the 9 villages of Edoji. Go announce to the elders, the 9 elders, that we have found our new king. I shall commence the coronation rites tomorrow. Yes, right here at the palace, before I present a new king to them at the village square, so that the people can celebrate.
Igirigi, I will do as you ask. I'll send messengers. Please spare my son so that...
Silence or no. The new king and queen will determine whatever happens to him. Ajani, the gods be praised, now and forever. People of Agaji, behold your new king. People of Agaji, behold your new queen. People of Agaji, behold your new queen. May the gods bless our new king. May the gods bless our new queen. Hail your new king. Hail. Ajanido. Ajanido. Bless our new king. Ajani, bless our new queen. We decree prosperity to the land of Edoji. Ajani, bless your people. The gods bless our king. Bless our queen. People of Edoji, behold your new king. People of Edoji, behold your new queen. May the gods bless our new king. May the gods bless.
My queen. I have missed you so much. I have missed you so much.
princess, you know. Sorry, my queen. Greetings, my king.
It's fine. Greetings, Adolisa.
Adolisa, before you left this village, you made a wish.
And I wish that by the time I get back, Mbada will be seated on the throne as the king, and you by his side as the queen. Ise.
And today, that wish has come to pass.
Yes, I can see.
Join me as we go celebrate in the village square. And after that, you'll come live with me for as long as you want.
Are you serious? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sorry, my queen.
Shall we, my king? Behold your new king! May the gods bless our king! May the gods bless our king! Behold, people of the Lord!